The portion is so very simple. The portion for the examination is loops. And let me ask you, Achyut, if my question is, write a program to check whether a number is prime or not. How can you find out without if condition? Achyut?
I don't know, ma'am. With if I know, without if I don't know.
No, without if, how can you find out? Is there any option? No. You can't do the program without if condition. But there won't be any problems like write a program to check whether a person is eligible voter or not. Direct if condition questions won't be there. That is why specifically I have written as while loop. But inside while loop there can be if conditions. That is why first I taught you if condition. Then I taught you for loop and while loop. Nested loop is not there because I just taught a few days before. Nested loops are not there. Only looping questions. There are no questions from the basic like uh, expressions, identifiers. No, don't study that. Only the looping. Or what I will say is your nodes and whatever PDF file I have sent to you in your group. Then one, how many pages? Some 50 pages. Because its execution is very clearly. It is a beautiful PDF related to this looping. So that is enough for you. Don't have to study syntax of if condition, syntax of if if else. No. But there is a chance that when the question is loop, but there is a chance that in that looping question there will be, or the question is find, check whether a number, display numbers from this number to this number, upper limit and lower limit, but display only even numbers. So in that question, you need a compulsorily you need to use a condition, isn't it, Achyut? Only in that way you will get if condition question. Otherwise there is no direct if condition questions. So there will be, I have given you the format, that is output questions, conversion questions. So we will do some question. I will write on the board, we'll practice. So you can, the first question I'll be writing here: rewrite the following program using for loop. Question is, rewrite the following program using for loop. T is equal to 150. The question is not output question. Okay. The question is rewrite. Rewrite the following program using for loop. After completing this, one of you can do this, can tell me, or you can share the screen if you are doing it in programmers or you are typing it, whatever. Write down. Time up. Time up. Only this much time you should take to complete this question. Is it over, Aditya Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me the answer. I will write it on the board.
Ma'am, for T in range,
For T in range. Okay, very good.
115,
115,
comma,
comma,
112,
112.
comma, -1.
Then,
2 dots.
to full colon. No, yes, I have inserted. Yes.
Then print T.
Or is that over?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Congratulations. Excellent. So this is how you need to write the answer. Hope all of you got the answer like this. If you have any doubts, you can just copy down this because it is a decrementing loop. T is equal to T minus 1. Starting value is 115. Ending value is 111. How 111? That is why 112 it is written. T greater than 112. So that means 112 is not included. T greater than. If it was T greater than or equal to 112, then this condition, this end condition will change. Okay. Next question. Next question. Convert to for loop. Meghna, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Tell me.
I in range.
Oh, who will write 4?
4I in range.
Okay. I in range.
Bracket 4, comma 9, comma 2, brackets, colon, print I.
Well done. Correct. So we'll do one more and we'll stop this conversion. Everybody got this answer? Amal Raj, Ashish Beni? Everyone got. Dia, smiling. Srihari, Muhammad Irfan, Meenakshi, Emmanuel, Ardian. If you are not getting this answer, that means you have to, again, you have to study this for loop and while loop. One more question. Sharath is here. Sharath.
Yes, ma'am.
Your chance. So next question, you need to write the answer for next question. And somebody asked me, what about the shorthand notation? See, the conversion, it came, isn't it? Is it Vidur? Isn't it? Even though that is not there for your examination, but it came. So that kind of questions you can expect this mod operator minus operator, that is operator topic. But without these operators, how we will write while loop or for loop? Sharath.
Ma'am.
Yes.
For number in range 3000, 2000.
Wait. Range?
3000, 2000, minus 10. Print number.
Print?
Number, NO.
I haven't written. When you convert a loop into another loop, don't change the meaning of the question. What is it, Sharath? NO. Don't change. I have written NO Morton. So you should not change the meaning of the question. Whatever display is, it should be same. Clear, Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Yes. So that is the answer for that question. Hope everyone understood this conversion. Now let's see the other way conversion. For loop to while loop.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when I tried this in the compiler, it is showing 000.
What about while loop? Did you try with while loop?
No, ma'am.
That is okay. Output, it doesn't matter. But the conversion is this. Okay. Amal Raj, you can tell me the answer for that.
Ma'am, last question, the question is also showing the same output.
While is also showing same output.
Yes.
Oh, so the answer is correct. Our conversion is correct. Okay. Achud, the conversion is correct. While
Yes,
loop
ma'am.
and for loop both are showing the same output. The conversion is correct.
It's
So
correct,
it is
yeah.
just a question I made just now. So you don't consider the output. Let it be any output. So I just shuffle the numbers and all. So that's all. Just to do you in different ways. Amal Raj? Or is it over or not? No. Okay, Vidhu? Unmute, Vidhu.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ah, okay.
Is this
Yes.
question a conversion
Ah,
or finding output?
conversion?
Or finding output?
Conversion. It's not finding the output. Conversion again. For loop to while loop. So we were doing while loop to for loop. Now the conversion question changed to for loop to while loop. It's not output question. Is it over, Dia?
Ma'am,
Ah, tell me the answer.
I equal to 0.
Very good. I equal to 0. So because the range only given 5. So that means it always starts with 0. Yes.
While
Hmm.
I less than 5, print I equal to I plus 1.
Very good. That's the answer. Why it is starting with 0? Because in range only one number is given. So when one number is given, it always starts with 0. Since there is no second parameter, there is no third parameter, that is by default the incrementation condition is 1. If there is a third parameter, yes.
Ma'am, can we write while I less than or equal to 4?
Yes, that also correct. That is also correct. You can write in that way also. The program logic should not change. I mean, you can use any kind of logic, but it should be conversion from for loop to while loop, and the display of the output should be same. That's the only compulsory thing you have to follow. Okay. One more question we'll do. This was the simplest question. Only thing you have to be very careful with the indentation. When you convert a loop into some other loop, the indentation should not go wrong. If your indentation go wrong, I will be reducing quarter marks each. If the question is write a program, and if you're forgetting a full colon, quarter mark will be reduced. So take care of the indentation. The body of the loop you should not change the body of the loop. Only the structure you need to change to for loop to while loop. Reina,
Yes, ma'am.
answer please.
Um,
Finish it fast.
okay.
Then we need to do the error correction. One error correction I will show you. Then one output question. So that you will get an idea. Error correction. Finished?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Answer please. Reina,
Ma'am, x is equal to 0.
x equal to 0.
While x
Just a moment. Okay, x equal to 0 while
x less than or equal to 10.
less than or equal to 10. Do we need equal to? Because x in range 10. So if you're writing less than or equal to, you need to write 9. Otherwise, you can write less than 10. Okay? Continue. The body of the loop you should not change. So you have to copy down exactly the same thing. Okay?
Okay.
So don't worry about the body of the loop. That is same.
So I only have a doubt about the x module 2. What about?
Now, so exactly body you copied. Since it's a while loop, you have to update the expression. That is an extra statement you need to add. What is it, Reina?
Update statement.
What is it?
Print x.
Print x is already over.
X is equal to x plus 1.
X plus 1. X equal to x plus 1. This x should come with this if. Indentation is the most important thing you have to take care of. Any doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
Till what time, sir? 11:30. So now let's do one question with error correction. If you have any doubts, just ask me now. Convert the following loop. Just a moment. Let me check for some questions. How many times the loop will execute? What is difference? Okay. S equal to 0. This question is error correction question. Copy it down. Aryan, are you there, Aryan? Aryan. Anjo, Mohammed Ateem, Evelyn. Why no response? Are you copying it down? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Nevin? No response from these students. If you respond, it's for you. If you are doing, it's for you. Don't do it for me. So where are the errors, Elvina?
Ma'am, for I in range.
Yeah, just a moment. First error is for I
In range.
Okay. So there is a mistake then.
Then the print there should be some gap. I mean the indentation.
So here there is a mistake. Isn't it? Indentation mistake. Then
Then after that s equal to s plus 1.
no. That's all you have seen. 1, 2, 2 mistakes.
Yes.
Anjo. That's what? That is what will happen in your examination. Open your eyes properly and look at each and every line of code. Investigate. Srihari.
Ma'am, that's some second one. In some, one is double colon, one is single colon.
That is a mistake, Elvina. That's what I told you. You have to look very, deep into the codes. Double quotes, sum is equal to. So intentionally, I added one single quotes. If you write 2 double quotes and 1 single quote, it will generate a mistake. Either you change this to single quotes or you change this to double quotes?
Ma'am, range R is R must be
Yes,
small
that
letter.
also you forgot, Elvina.
Then
Range.
after the bracket, we should
colon.
put the colon.
Again.
Then S
P.
plus equal to 1 must come under print.
Yes, intonation. P is capital letter I have written. Now, let me tell you, when you get this kind of question, your answer should be like this. Like this means that I'm going to write it down exactly the same way. Don't copy down the question. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this S plus equal to 1, shouldn't it come under the print?
No, you don't change the, this is the question that you have got. Don't change the logic of the question. Body, let it be same. Don't change it. Okay. Don't change the body of the question. Only the indentation, syntax errors you need to correct. Understood? Achyut. Hello? Achyut, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what you have to do, you have to write the answer in this way. Okay. This is your answer sheet. What I'm going to write as your, suppose that is your answer sheet. Then you need to write. Don't use green ink, okay? For I in range bracket 10, comma 2, comma -1 full colon. Either you can follow with double quotes or single quotes. That's up to you. Comma is missing. Comma. Then yes. Now what you need to do is pencil, take the pencil and the ruler and the scale, and you need to underline it. That is the next thing you need to do when you get a question like this. That is must. This is how you have to write in your answer sheet. Here, sorry, there is no mistake in this place. In R full colon. Then indentation, you can't do anything. You can write here. Since I corrected the double quotes, so here one underline. Oh, this also underlining. 2 underlines. I mean, not 2, the bigger one you need to have. Sum is equal to comma. So double quotes, underline, colon, any other mistakes? Okay. S plus equal to P. P also you need to do underline. Only then you will get marks. Wherever you have made corrections, underline. Rewrite the code after underlining the corrections made. Hope you understood. Don't copy down the question. Only the answer you have to copy down in your answer sheet, and you have to do exactly the same way in your board examination. Don't copy down the question. Sometimes when the evaluator, when she or he check your paper, then they will think that this is your answer. But it is a copy of your question paper so that you will write something in your answer sheet. So adding some extra papers, no, don't do that for this question, especially S equal to 0 for I in range 10 comma. So that this is very clear that these many mistakes and these many corrections. Clear to everyone? Hello. Is that clear?
Yes, clear. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Not clear. Corrections you understood?
Correction and for writing in the paper.
Writing in the paper. Just imagine this green color ink is blue color ink.
We
Understood?
just underline the corrections.
Yes. Underline the correction using pencil. Okay. Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. So I don't know whether you'll get time. No, we'll do output question. One output question. Sir is waiting here. He's telling me that
One
it's
more
time.
period is there, ma'am, today.
Huh?
One more period.
Error correction.
No.
Hello?
I think today we have one more period.
One more period, sir. Is it? Yes or no? Then we will do the next class. Okay. Okay. So I thought only one period. Okay then. Bye. Study well for your examination.